Alright guys, so today I'm breaking down another trade. 2 days in a row. We got gold again. Okay, this is from today. Well, from Asia session last night. Took longs. So the overall idea for this trade was just basically trading the retracement of the higher time frame. We can see here the weekly opened here. We've expanded into a key level. We put in an SMT here. There's actually a 2-stage SMT that you'll see on the next slide. But yeah, we put in this 2-stage SMT basically down here, and we create this daily gap. So going into today, which was Thursday, I wanted to see that retracement into the gap, which is obviously what we got. So kind of a counter trend move, but as long as you have the signatures down here to be able to trade it higher, you know, you can just use the previous day high as your draw on liquidity. I didn't even take this trade all the way up to previous day high, but I still got about 4R out of this trade. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can see this 2-stage SMT. So this is the daily SMT that is marked out here, and then this is the second stage, which is a strength switch because gold is the weaker asset at this point. But then it switches strength as it creates the higher low here. Silver takes out this low. We have a 2-stage SMT. The price action isn't the best, I'm going to be honest, in terms of like creating a reversal candle, but this candle right here on silver was a C2. So I'm just basically treating this candle as a C2 and then trading this C3, which is 6 p.m. And yeah, that's basically what I did. So trading this candle 3, this is the previous day high, or the high of that daily fair value gap. And then we have another gap here on the 4-hour. So this was another draw on liquidity. But what I actually took was just to this swing high, which is a 30-minute swing high, relevant level, which is probably this high right here, I'd say. But yeah, trading from this area, so 6 p.m. opens low. The only thing that would make this like better is if we had a gap here. We have no gap here on either asset, so it's like it's not the best, I'll be honest. We open low, put in an SMT. Gold was the strong asset, and we get this C2. So basically I'm trading this 4-hour candle 3, and then now we get a C2 on the 30-minute, so I'm getting on side with the candle 3 on this 30-minute as well, and we get this expansion, as you can see. And yeah, this is my target. So as soon as we get this C2 closure with the SMT, like I said, the only thing that would have made this better if we had a gap, like if we had an hourly gap, a 30-minute gap, even a 15-minute gap here, would have made it so much better. But I did go like lower risk on this trade because of the fact that there was no gap, and this wasn't like super high probable. And then the 5-minute, I took 2 trades actually. I took a loss first from the 3-minute, which is not on here, but it was somewhere in this area. It's where this this wick is. So on the 3-minute, this was like a 3-minute CISD. So I longed here, I put my stop here, and I got like swept. And then I zoomed out, looked at the 5-minute, saw that we created this CISD. I longed here, and we had a gap here as well. So I got in here, stop loss on this low, took it to the high, around 4R on this trade. You can see the executions here. So like I said, this is that loss, the first trade. This was a 3-minute entry. And then as we create this new CISD, got back in again. Because the 5-minute actually looked cleaner as well, because we're like displacing, creating gaps. So yeah, and then just took profits at the high, and then I was done for the day. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this this breakdown, and I'll catch you in the next one.